Alright, hi. Today I'm going to teach you how to build... No, Jesse, stop. Stop it. Today Stop it. Yes, I can. Your name isn't actually Jesse.
I know.
So, yeah. Well, why would your fake name? Shut up. Today we're going to learn how to build a computer. We got all our parts here, fresh from the factory. Alright. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our reinforced plastic in there. That's going to help with reinforcement. This is from a laptop, but it's cool because like they're compatible. So, this is, and we're gonna add two. We need that space
This
there.
is a battery.
Here's one. Oh yeah,
Yeah, you put that in.
Power.
To make it, you don't have to plug it in now.
No, it's yeah. Well, everything in here. I set up a wireless tether. Yeah, it's for that. Okay. Yeah. So here's one hard drive that's actually made for this. So let's go ahead and install that in here, just like this. Another one. Oh, here's a clip to hold some wires together. That should do. All right, and this will help keep everything together too here. All right, now this is really important. This is the high state-of-the-art cooling fan.
This is
Put it in there.
this much dust getting in it.
Yeah. This oh, and this piece here is the most important piece. This is the CPU. That stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay. Very important.
This is a laptop RAM stick, but it's pretty much compatible.
Oh yeah.
So
this is plastic. It's useless.
What you're gonna
Let's
do?
go ahead and put it in there.
It works like a glow stick. You have to snap it, right? You have to snap it. Right?
All right.
So now that it's bent like a little bit, you want to take it.
Ooh.
You want to take a screwdriver.
You want to puncture it to get the heat moving through it.
Yeah. And then if there's too much heat, we're gonna use one of these, Jesse, if I may. Now put it down. If it's too much heat, this takes some of that heat away and just kind of.
All right, wait. Good. It should be good, Jason. All right, so now that there's only two terminal things left in there. Oh wait, there's. All right, so these two.
And we're rolling.
So the video cut out on us earlier, but what we were doing.
Most likely because of the heat dissipation.
Yeah, probably. So what we were doing, we were taking these little terminals off here. So now that there's two here, we just take those two and we just throw it in there. And then what's left, we have to break in half.
Oh, you gotta separate it, right?
Yeah. So now there's two here.
Yep.
And then two here.
And this is
So
what
we
it looks
just
like. See
throw
this?
those-
This is trash. That's
Make sure
before
they're
the modifications.
Make sure they're in the
It's trash.
opposite sides of the computer though. Because if they're close, they'll refuse and it'll just be a big mess.
All right, now here is the coolest part of these state-of-the-art things. You see here we got a keyboard.
Yeah.
Right now this is a funky looking keyboard. That's because it's brand new, straight out of Intel. Nobody owns one. There's no news about it yet. Basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this in the computer, and you don't need a keyboard now. You just think about what you want to type, and it does it. So yeah,
It's pretty new technology.
Put that in there.
So this is how laptop.
And this is the piece you're gonna put on the front here.
So we're gonna take a quick break from this to show how laptops are actually supposed to be
Down
used.
a
You're
little
supposed to bend it like this.
Oh yeah.
And like that, and you have to move your fingers underneath.
Yeah,
the
no
thing.
more will you have to do this.
Yeah.
Now you just think about it.
Inverted it. This is how computers are supposed to be, Noah.
All right, now we just finish it up with a few.
With all the essential wires and the laptop.
All right, so now that it's packed in there and installed correctly, we're gonna add the cables very nicely. Okay.
So now that we have the laptop screen,
Yeah, we gotta put the
just-
screen on there.
we just put it there,
Okay. Yep.
and now
Just attach it right there then.
yeah, where's the case?
Oh, you forgot about this.
What is it?
Oh, this is the piece that allows it to connect to the monitor wirelessly.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and stick that in there.
All right. And now, do we have everything? Oh,
Yeah, I
wait,
think we do.
wait,
Let's cover it
no.
up.
The mouse pad, wireless from the laptop, that wirelessly controls it.
That's
So
pretty
we
nifty.
have to.
Yeah, actually put your finger in the air. That you gotta activate it.
Gotta crush down everything to make room.
So you put that in there.
And now we just cover it up.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, I just forget something. Oh, there's gonna be way too much heat. We need to. We forgot the heat. Hey, we forgot the heat, dude. We gotta put this in there for the heat.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Water, just a standard water bottle.
Just a water
would
bottle.
do. We're gonna continue to make this video, no matter what happens. So this screen we had, we're gonna want to take one of the batteries from one of the laptops. We're gonna hit that a few times.
No, not the batteries.
That's what we do. All right, now it's good. The monitor's good. All right, the monitor's optimized now.
Yep.
So we want to put it in there.
Alright.
So this graphics card, right, and this heat sink, we're gonna throw this graphics card, since this already has a laptop with the graphics like integrated, we want to throw this in here. And you want
Here's the process while you're.
this hard drive too, yeah, that goes in there. Then you want to just throw that in there. Then this screen, right, you want to take this heat sink. That's good. Wait, hold on.
Hi. Is this where I go to buy a computer?
Yeah.
Alright, so you got this.
Whoa, Louis, you're a commander of this station. I am the commander of this station, I guess. You don't ever abandon your battle station. Man, that ass.
Oh my god.
Alright, so this screen is optimized now, almost. Yeah, you got it.
Just rub your hand up and down on it so you can get some of the grease off. We need as many of these as we can.
There.
Thank you.
That helps. This screen is pretty tough.
I wonder what the seniors are going to be like now that I think about it.
We have destructive tendencies.
Oh, we have worse, trust me. Like, I mean, it's bad. I expect worse than that, fellas.